All right, so let's have a reality check on the saying, perception is reality. First and foremost, that is not an accurate expression. And if you ever hear that expressed to you again, call it out, because it's essentially an insult. What it means in its purest form is that the world that's out there, outside, beyond your mind, is determining, with its messaging and advertising and bombardment of communications, is defining your reality. That is not an accurate definition. What it should be saying is reality is perception, because the world is all in here. The world that you know and that I know begins in our mind, and you can qualify that by the simple question: is it easy to change your mind? Am I able to change your political views? Am I able to change your beliefs in God? Am I able to change your beliefs in the ones you love? And the answer is no. There's much more to it. And that's because in the mind and behind these eyes are beliefs, behaviors, and attitudes that have been formed since you were born, and the imprinting. And so what that really means is you have a lens and how you see the world around you. And with that lens comes a filter. And so you're able to filter out the BS that we deal with every day. But there are some messages, there are some impressions that survive the filter because there's a familiarity to those message points. Somehow it resonates with the person that you are. And so that's a key differential here in understanding the world and knowing what the truth is. We're always looking for the truth. In this case, we're looking for reality. And reality is pretty hard to find beyond ourselves. So the bottom line is, the world is what you make of it. It's how you see it, and it's how you define it, and it's how you overcome it. So when you hear perception is reality, that is not going to be that is not a fact that should persuade you. You should be responding, I determine the world that I live in, and the perceptions that I have are the reality that I create in this world.